What's up, guys? KotabearTv back again with another video. So today, my video that I have for you guys is the day after that night ride. We went back up in the area that we were where we got stuck. All that deep snow with hills and everything else. We went up there and played a little bit. It's really good footage. There's some deep snow. Some little chutes we got to go up. I did end up losing some clips and audio and stuff, unfortunately, for you guys. So they were really good too. But I lost my intro also, so that's why I'm doing this intro now. It is currently Sunday. I think it's the 14th, Valentine's Day. And I'm going to be going here in literally a week. I'll be going to Maine. So look out for that, and I'm going to have some videos after Maine. So stay tuned for that. I know 80% of you guys aren't subscribed, so if you guys could go down, if you're a return person and you just enjoy my content, subscribe for me. It means a lot. The next goal is going to be 5K. We're at 4,100 right now, which is insane. I appreciate all the support you guys have done for me. It means the world to me. Also, down below in my link, I have my merch, and then also Polaris. They've hooked me up a couple times this year, got me right in. I had a couple small issues. I thought maybe my primary was going, ended up being nothing. Just I smoked the belt. There was a little flat spot on my belt, which caused vibration in my clutch. Put a new belt on, good to go. I never experienced that before, so that was a first for me, but we're good to go. So let's jump into the clips from today, guys.
Give her the beans, Cooter. Oh yeah. Oh, she's deep. She's leaving trenches there, bud. She's deep. What? Trench out, bud. Whew. Oh, that's a big ass drift. I didn't see that. Oh! That's not good. Oops.
Got her unstuck, boys.
Oh, no problem. Woo! That's deep, bud. That's a deep trench right there, bud. Look at that thing. Oh boy. Woo, keeping her pinned. Get her, Cooter. The whole tree went with it. I was like, I ain't letting off. Fucking got me clobbered. Oh. Starting to. Look at those cliffs. Just starting to fog up.
Yeah, I knew it was going to be at that end. We've been fucked.
I didn't know it was going to be a dead end. Probably should have went there last night to turn around.
We did do 2 bear racing though.
Yeah, tell that to my ski.
Huh?
Tell that to my ski. I can't do the whole jump over like you can.
Yeah, that's what you had to do right there.
Yeah. You just had to go and bury her, didn't you? Oh yeah. No, don't bury it again. What are you doing, bud? Yeah. I don't like the way that handles compared to mine. I don't like how that one handles. This is way easier to get left and right. Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of today's video. As I said before, if you guys could go down and hit the subscribe button, 80% of you guys aren't subscribed to watch my videos. If you guys are returning and just enjoy the content, it would help me out a lot. It's free for you guys, so if you could do that, go down and hit down below for me. And then also guys, like I said, it's Sunday. We got like 5 days before I go to Maine. There's possibly a snowstorm coming, so I'm hoping to get like a video or two worth of footage. Try to edit it quick before I head to Maine so you guys can at least get something while I'm in Maine to watch. Otherwise, you can check out some stuff I'll be posting while I'm in Maine on my Instagram, which the link will be down below. But otherwise, guys, thank you so much for all the support. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.